Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today it's time for our prep item of the week.
Okay, guys, when you're off grid, you're living in all this type of solar minimum like we're living in with the extremes and everything. We have the extreme weather and all that kind of stuff. With the extreme weather comes extreme insects. And every homestead needs what I'm about to show you in order to be able to survive the insect thing. I know a lot of you ever see the videos of third world countries. When you look at the third world countries, what do you see? You see flies crawling all over everything. So the prep item for this week is fly swatters. Here we have the candy corn colors. Ms. Wanda has went and picked up several different types of fly swats to keep over here at the candy corn cabin, because yes, when you live in the country and you have an off-grid setting like we have, where you have to leave the windows and the doors open and you have to be outside a lot, you got flies. And we have to have fly swatters to be able to control that. So, prep item of the week, the fly swatter.
So guys, check out the package of 24 fly swats for $22.39. I'm going to put a link in the description below. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.